Dayton Audio's BST-1 is the addition to your home theater or gaming setup you didn't know you needed. This is how it works. Say there's an explosion on screen. Your sound system will let you hear it, but now the BST-1 will allow you to feel it, making your movies and games unbelievably more realistic. Even with headphones, you can silently experience the full shake and impact of your media. The BST-1 is attached to an object and hooked up to a speaker system to the sub output. It then receives the low-end signal and will shake the objects it's connected to based on the frequency it's receiving. Add a fourth dimension of sensory experience to your home theater by installing a BST-1 Bass Shaker from Dayton Audio. For the best in innovation, value, and quality, visit DaytonAudio.com.